Alright, I'm making the rounds on the bike. It's time for another episode of Kerbled. This is what I found this time. It's not anything worth noting. It's a cheap builder fan that I'm just going to leave here. But you can see they replaced it with something halfway decent, I guess. Got themselves a McCoy contractor LED. Oh, and that's the end of those lights. Oh well. Not taking the fan, my parents would kill me, but I am taking the pull chains off of it because those are the same pull chains that the ceiling fan in my game room uses. And I have no idea what happened to the originals, so we'll take those. But that's going to be it for this. Flip it around here and see if there's any identification on it. Plenty dusty. That doesn't give me, well. That's a Spanish sticker. I think this fan has bad bearings. It is RB52, so I think this might be something from Hardware House. Yeah, I definitely think it is. I don't know what the model is, but I think it's definitely from Hardware House. 2006, so they got, oh, what is that? 15 years, I think. I think I'm doing math correctly in my head. Well, we'll give it one last good spin here. Okay. Or maybe not. Those bearings are shot. Wow. Those bearings are really shot. Wow. Well, that explains why they got rid of it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there is absolutely no reason for me to be taking this, so I'm not gonna. But I just thought I'd show it to you.